the pen, concentrate, write. We cannot treat the handicapped as a second-rate citizens and dole out a few rupees now and then stop. To any self-respecting man, such an attitude would be highly revolting, and more so to one who already suffers certain physical disabilities. Stop. Concrete measures should be taken by both the government and voluntary agencies who are working in this direction to see how best the disabled could be helped to become useful members of society, contributing their best towards the enrichment of life. Stop. It is in this context I welcome the wholehearted and sincere efforts made by the All India Federation for the Deaf to bring a new hope in the lives of these handicapped people. Stop. As my friend, former Director General ILO, has rightly pointed out, rehabilitation is not an end in itself but only a means to an end. Stop. It proposes to change the disabled person from a state of dependence to one of independence, from disability and helplessness back to ability and usefulness at work. Stop. Resettlement in employment is the crux of the whole process of rehabilitation. Stop. The foremost task should be to make the handicapped people self-reliant and instill in them confidence and hope. Stop. This could be done only by educating them on right lines and providing them with enough training facilities which can earn them an honorable living. Stop. I would like to suggest that a certain percentage of jobs might be reserved for the handicapped in all establishments where such people could be suitably employed. Stop. I would also like to repeat a suggestion that I have made earlier, that a cess may be levied so that a fund could be created which will not only provide training centers for the handicapped but also start establishments where they could gainfully employed. Stop. We must have precise knowledge about the extent of the problem of the physically handicapped in our country. Stop. I would like that adequate attention is paid to this problem in the next census operations. Stop. We must collect full data on the disabled in our country so that we can plan for their rehabilitation realistically. Stop. I have every hope the good work of the All India Federation of the Deaf will find increasing support from the generous public. Stop. I am sure the work of the Federation will not be allowed to languish for want of funds. Stop. I have been intimately connected with this organization and I need hardly assure that my sympathy and support will always be available to you. Full stop.